Today I'm making a video about actually another video on Hoopland. I'm rebuilding the Golden State after LeBron didn't go there. First game against the Raptors. Let's just see how we play. That's the first start already. Oh yeah. Hey, Curry. Oh, why would he jump for that? Yikes. Oh yeah. Oh, you're good. You're good. I think we can already tell. I'm gonna have to. I was not expecting that. What the heck? I'm gonna need to make a couple trades too. Oh my gosh. What the? Oh, I was about to say, bro. Oh yeah, Yax. He has a good three. I'm just playing like the first or second half, or both. And I'm gonna have to get rid of his defense. Probably trade Porzingis. Never mind, I said because I don't really Roxelle with 20 points. Oh my god. Who's a good center? I don't know. I just need a good center. Yo. I could trade for KD. I don't want to get up and give up my first line. Should I do Miami? Take the job. I'll see y'all later. Oh, we're 4-1. Let's go. Keep this going. Yeah, this is our record is okay. It's only the first. I'm getting better. Right. Let's look in free agency. Yeah, let's just. This is ooh, no, usually there's a couple good players. I mean, I guess it's probably the age, I guess. I don't have enough. CJ McCollum. Let's open it. I mean, he has good attributes, but it's like yeah, I'm gonna sim the mid-season out. Alright, y'all, we're back. Let's see. And guys, we're 31 to 26. Send back there to the end of the season. And of course, we're not even in the. Yeah, so I got something. How's Philadelphia still number 1? How? Right, just hold on. And then they won freaking LeBron 5 rings now. Oh my gosh, how is he getting 2 blocks with his old self? Freaking 41, 42. Man, I'm gonna have to see y'all with the next rebuild.